remember earlier today video, I said that would make part 4. So let's get started right on that, because math can be so much fun, even though it can be sometimes boring. If you do some hard work, it gets easier and easier, and the easier it gets, the funnier it is. So let's get started. So let's go to my area. Okay. So, which one do you want to do? Do you want to do math, timing, or money? Which one? Okay, Google, you're coming in right now. Okay, let's look into my brain. It's money. So let's get started on money. Okay, so we already used my journal. Here, I'm gonna do some money. Okay, are you ready? So I'm gonna do a quarter, Q for quarter, and a dime.
You didn't have what I got.
Well, that's better than what I got.
Dime, and P for penny. Okay, let's wrap this up. So we have a quarter, that's 25.
A quarter is
And
5 nickels. 5 times 5 is 25.
So 5 nickels would equal the 25. And for a dime is 10, because 5 plus 5 equals 10, and that would be a dime. So let's add this up. So we need nothing to change here. It's 35, because we already know 10 plus 20 equals 30, plus 5 equals 35. So that's our answer, 35. Now we have to add 35 to 1, which is so easy, 36. So that's going to be our answer. So a quarter plus a dime plus a penny equals 36 cents. So let's move on to our next one. Okay. So I'm going to do a dime and also a penny, another penny, another penny, a dime, and also, last but not least, a quarter.
So nice to help other kids. It really is.
Okay, now it's time to add a dime and 3 pennies and another dime and a quarter. So that's going to be 4 right here, or 5 because the extra penny 6. So that's 6 things that we need to add up. So we have to add 3 pennies, 2 dimes, and a quarter. So let's get started right on that. So now let's get started. Okay? So first we're going to do a quarter plus 10 plus 10. Okay. Wait, it equals 40. We already know. So 40 plus 43. So that's our answer. So equals
Even the human takes you back away from
43. So that's our answer, 43. We didn't need to use a paper that time. We just already knew it. Because a quarter plus, wait. Did you guys see something that I missed? I did that on purpose so you guys can learn what it's like making when you don't really pay attention. I did that on mistake. So let's look back at our answer, because a quarter is 25, but I minus the 5. I did that on purpose so you know it's like to pay attention what you're doing when it's math. So take your time. So the actual answer was 48. because 3 plus 5 equals 8. So you need to pay attention in math, because sometimes you get the answer wrong when you don't pay attention.
You gotta look at every number.
You need to look at all the numbers and add them up together. I did that on purpose because I want you to pay attention when you're doing math, because sometimes you don't take your time. When you don't take your time and you're in a rush, sometimes you minuses 5 and just do that 3, just like I did, which I did on purpose to teach you. Okay, so this will be our last one. So let's get started right on it. So I'm gonna do a quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter plus a quarter. Okay, Q 4 quarters. Okay, so let's add it up. Okay, are you ready? So let's get started. So 24 plus 24 equals 48. Plus another one. So let's add that up again, so to make sure you understand. 2 quarters. 1 quarter plus another quarter. So we have 20 plus 20 equals 40. And 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 48 plus another 48 actually kind of makes 100. It makes 100. So 4 quarters make 100. But instead of doing it like 100 pennies, it would equal $1. So if I wanted to do 8 quarters, I would have $2. But I have $1 since I did 4 quarters. So that's it for today's lesson. And also, always pay attention to math. Because remember the second question? I made a mistake on purpose to teach you to pay attention when you're doing math. So remember, like, subscribe, and notification bell whenever you want.